Because if you want me to build a commission and they start at 10K and go up, unless you want a lightsaber, lightsabers, I can do those. Those are 75 bucks. Unless you want it on a plaque, a numbered plaque, they're 100. Okay. Of course. What is this? Are you trying to sign in? Yes. Okay, gotta let me know. Yeah, and it said Tucson, and I go, well, I know where that is. I'm surprised I even seen that, but I happened to be looking that direction because I wanted to pick something up. Now, you see this? I put this piece of paper on here this way, and around here like that. That closed that in. And what it closes in is it keeps this wiring harness in place, and it makes it look like it's an actual part of the build. Because your wiring harness cannot be exposed to the atmosphere. It has to be inside the chassis. Toss his computer. I've done that. Hey, you guys want to hear something crazy? I got so mad at my laptop one time, I actually shot my monitor. That was probably one of the dumbest things I ever did in my lifetime. And I tell you what, I was pretty upset. Now, that's 2 layers on there. What that does is that gives you a lot of strength, and it makes it so when I put the heavy cardstock over this, that it will absolutely absolutely let that stuff just disappear. And now what I'm going to do is I want that to stay put. And so we're going to add these pieces over top of that. Because you do not want your wire just flopping around inside your chassis. It won't hurt it, I would say, but it might. And I think all cars and trucks that I've ever worked on, all their wiring has all been attached in a housing. And so this is what I'm doing right now. I am making sure that my wires do not ever get crossed and that they do not ever flop around. As you can see, everything has been locked in place. Uh-oh. That's got to be fixed. I had to cut that wire loose and change the location. I forgot to glue this back in place. But that's easy enough to do. And it doesn't take a lot of holding. Just a minute or two, and that glue sets up well. Yeah, Daryl, absolutely. Monster truck Warthog.